Today I'll be solving a question given to me regarding the ellipse. We'll need to find the equation in standard form, the distance between the center to the major and minor axis, the focal points, and we'll also need to graph it. Let's get started. So our problem is 2x squared plus 3y squared minus 8x minus 30y plus 65 equals 0. First, we'll need to move 65 to the other side and rearrange so that 2x squared be with minus 8x and 3y squared with minus 30y. Then we'll need to factorize it. Bring out the 2 from 2x squared and minus 8x and 3 from 3y squared and minus 30y. After we brought them out, we'll need to complete square. In complete square, our equation needs to be in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Right now, we're missing the c value, which we can find by dividing b by 2 and squaring it. So if we apply that to x squared minus 4x, since c is equals to b divided by 2 squared, our b is 4. So 4 divided by 2 squared would give us 4, which will give us x squared minus 4x plus 4. And if we apply that to y squared minus 10y, our c value would be equals to 10 divided by 2 squared, which is 5 squared equals to 25. So y squared minus 10y plus 25. When we finish completing square, it's important to add negative 4 and negative 5 as shown, so that our equation makes sense, since in the beginning we didn't have plus 4 and plus 25. And also, we'll need to group our completed square, x squared minus 4x plus 4 into x minus 2 squared, and y squared minus 10y plus 25 into y minus 5 squared. Next, we'll need to multiply into 2 and 3, and that would give us 2 times x minus 2 squared minus 8 plus 3 times y minus 5 squared minus 75 equals minus 65. We need the completed squares on one side, so we move minus 8 and minus 75 to the other side, which they will be added to minus 65. That would give us 2 times x minus 2 squared plus 3 times y minus 5 squared equals 18. Our equation right now isn't in standard form, so this is the ellipse equation in standard form. X minus h squared on a squared plus y minus k squared on b squared equals 1. Since in our equation, our sum is 18, not 1, so we need to divide everything by 18, which will give us x minus 2 squared on 9 plus y minus 5 squared on 6 equals 1. From x minus h squared on a squared plus y minus k squared on b squared equals 1, we can find the center from hk, our a value, or the distance between center to major or minor axis, and the b value, which is also the distance between center to major or minor axis, and the foci, which is calculated as the distance from the center along the major axis, from c squared equals a squared minus b squared. We can also say that from our equation, x minus 2 squared on 9 plus y minus 5 squared on 6 equals 1. Our center is 2, 5, our a value, which lies on the major axis, since 9 is greater than 6. Major meaning big, so 9 is bigger than 6, which is root 9 equals plus or minus 3. Our b value, which lies on the minor axis, since 6 is smaller than 9, minor being smaller, which is root 6 equals to plus or minus root 6. And our foci, or focal points, which is c equals to root a squared minus b squared, so equals to root 9 minus 6 equals plus or minus root 3. If we were to graph this, here's our center point at 2, 5, our a values on the major axis, minus 1, 5, and 5, 5. Our b values, which lies on the minor axis, 2, 5 minus root 6, and 2, 5 plus root 6. And our focal points on the major axis, 2 minus root 3, 5, and 2 plus root 3, 5. So here's all of them together, and our final answer. Our equation being x minus 2 squared on 9 plus y minus 5 squared on 6 equals 1. Our center at 2, 5. Our a values at negative 1, 5 and 5, 5. Our b values at 2, 5 plus root 6 and 2, 5 minus root 6. And our foci at 2 plus root 3, 5 and 2 minus root 3, 5. Thank you.